Welcome to Jurassic World Rebirth Toy Hunt here. We're at an HEB store here in Texas. We have the new Bite and Blast Mosasaurus here. Jurassic World Rebirth Bite and Blast Mosasaurus here. It's $39.97 here at HEB. There's no sound effect on this. They're like detailed. There's a button here. It's very detailed. Everything's hardened plastic here. There's this 4-fin torso here. The other side. They also come with a small Dilophosaurus. It will, when you put it in his mouth, it will shoot out the Dilophosaurus. So this, when you push the button, you put this Dilophosaurus inside his mouth and he will shoot out the Dilophosaurus. So it's the chomp version of the Mosasaurus here. Don't forget the scan to unlock app here. It wiggles left and right. See it? So it moves left and right on here. I'll show you, demonstrate it. See it? So you turn, it turns with it. See it? Turn it, the tail, they also turn, so you can turn and push the button at the same time, and it will chomp here. So look at the detail, and there you can put the Dilophosaurus in his mouth and it will shoot out. This is also, everything's hardened plastic. Here's the detail of it here. These, all his teeth are soft plastic. It won't hurt your fingers or thumbs or anything like that. So, Bite and Blast Mosasaurus Jurassic World Rebirth is $39.97 here at HEB Plus here. And don't forget to have the Jurassic World Wild World UTAHRAPTOR and also TRICERATOPS, Mosasaurus, and BARYONYX. All of these are $18.97 each, compared to earlier in the year, last year, the Jurassic World Chaos Theory one, still $18.97. Here's the older version of it, PYRORAPTOR, compared to the NASUTOCERATOPS, sorry. Both dissimilar in the TRICERATOPS family. They're both $18.97. Let's see what this one sounds like again. Compare to this one. So it's different sound. And don't forget they got the PROCERATOSAURUS, of course. So these are $18.97 compared to the Wild World $18.97. They also have gigantic thrasher. Here's their Jurassic World Rebirth TYRANNOSAURUS here. Finally see one here at a different store besides Target or Walmart. There's no sound for these. These are $24.97 here at HEB. It's a grocery store in Texas. So Jurassic World Rebirth, gigantic thrasher, TYRANNOSAURUS. Look at that. So this, with the hand movement to left and right, it moves left and right. And it also moves his arm here. See, that's pretty good. And his mouth. Snap on it. There, see it? See? If you go slowly on the tail, it'll open slowly, left and right. Hello. Okay. They also got the gigantic thrasher TRICERATOPS. This launches his leg when you push the tail. Look at that. See it? When you turn left or right, it will launch its legs up high. on a fighting position. So these new thrashers is pretty cool. I wish they made a sound effect, but they don't. But there's only $24.97, so it's reasonable price. It's very detailed on these. This is more soft on the back, dead hardened, kind of in the middle here. So these horns, the mouth does not, it's partially open, but it does not open manually. Leg, the head up and down, but it does not turn left and right. Of course, the front leg power lift, and the two back legs can move too. They also have, of course, the Jurassic World Chaos Theory / and Royal THERIZINOSAURUS. It's on sale here. It's $29.94. You can also get that at Target and Walmart too. And they also have the Jurassic World Royal Command, of course, it's $24.97. So I usually put this up and see this on here. Let's get this dressed. Mosasaurus, Bite and Blast. Mosasaurus, the feature here, $39.97 here. Look alike like this. I mean, pretty cool if this can battle with the TYRANNOSAURUS here. Let me see. Of course, there you go. That mouth is huge. It will eat them up. There you go. See that? How big that mouth is? Look at that. You can't. That mouth is humongous. It will demolish this TYRANNOSAURUS. So, the new thing for Jurassic World Rebirth recap here. Bite and Blast, Mosasaurus, $39.97. We got the gigantic thrasher, Tyrannotitan. And we have the TRICERATOPS. And don't forget the Wild World UTAHRAPTOR. And also TRICERATOPS. We got the MOSOSAURUS and BARYONYX here. I forgot to tell you there's another new one here is the Battle Claw, Spinosaurus Battle Claw, 1997. Jurassic World Rebirth Battle Claw here. So you put it behind your hand. They also come with two masks. They didn't come yet. There's two masks. There's a Velociraptor and a Spinosaurus mask. I haven't seen it yet, but the claw will come with the mask. So this will be a Spinosaurus claw for the Spinosaurus mask. We'll probably have a claw for the Velociraptor. They're 1997 here at HEB. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.